On the firestorm over 9/11 mastermind Khalid Sheikh Mohammed being sent from Guantanamo to New York City, the president revealed he did not personally sign off on it.
I said to the Attorney General, make a decision based on the law. I think this notion that somehow we have to be fearful that these terrorists possess some special powers that prevent us from presenting evidence against them, locking them up, and exacting swift justice. I think that has been a fundamental mistake.
So that was his decision, but you'll take responsibility if it goes wrong?
I always have to take responsibility. That's my job.
The president also took responsibility for the sluggish economy when asked a CNN iReporter's question about why bailed-out banks have not helped more small businesses and foreclosed families.
Look, I understand people's frustrations. I mean, the American people have gone through a very tough year. And, and my job as president is to help navigate through this tough year. People who don't have a job right now, people who have lost their home, I'd be mad too. And they expect me to do something about it.
As for Sarah Palin's book,
You gonna read it?
I probably won't.
Mr. Obama ducked a question about whether he thinks he and Palin will be candidates for president in 2012. When pressed, the president suggested he could live without running again.
Can you envision a scenario where you don't run for re-election?
If I feel like I've made the very best decisions for the American people, and 3 years from now I look at it and my poll numbers are in the tank, and because we've gone through these wrenching changes, politically I'm in a tough spot. I'll feel all right about myself.
But in the next breath, the president sounded like someone who would relish taking his case to the American people in 2012, saying he's taking on big issues like healthcare and Iran that have not borne fruit, but he's confident they will, and he'll be rewarded.